Have you ever wondered why Stash seems to take forever to transfer your money? It's a common frustration for many users, and we're here to shed some light on the matter. Imagine this: you've just completed a side hustle or received a windfall. You're eager to access those funds, but Stash seems to be taking its sweet time. It's a frustrating experience, and you're not alone. Before we dive into the reasons behind Stash's transfer speed, let's understand a bit about how the platform works. Stash is a micro-investing app, meaning it's designed for small, frequent investments. This model has its advantages, but it also comes with certain limitations, including transfer speed. Reason 1: Regulatory compliance. One of the primary reasons for Stash's transfer delays is regulatory compliance. As a financial institution, Stash is subject to various rules and regulations designed to protect consumers. These regulations often require additional verification steps, which can slow down the transfer process. Reason 2: Internal processes. Stash, like any other financial institution, has internal processes that need to be followed. These processes, while necessary for ensuring the safety and security of your funds, can also contribute to transfer delays. For example, Stash may need to verify your identity or confirm the source of funds before initiating a transfer. Reason 3: Market conditions. Market conditions can also impact Stash's transfer speed. During periods of high market volatility or increased trading activity, Stash may experience higher than usual processing times. This is because the platform needs to ensure that all transactions are executed accurately and efficiently. Reason 4: Technical issues. While less common, technical issues can occasionally cause delays in Stash's transfer process. These issues could range from system failures to network connectivity problems. Tips for faster transfers. If you're frustrated with Stash's transfer speed, there are a few things you can do to expedite the process. Verify your account. Ensure that all your personal information, including your address and identification documents, is up to date. This will help reduce the likelihood of manual verification steps. Avoid peak times. Try to initiate transfers during off-peak hours when Stash's systems are less congested. Contact customer support. If you're experiencing significant delays or have concerns about your transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash's customer support team. They may be able to provide more information or assist in resolving the issue. While Stash's transfer speed can sometimes be frustrating, it's important to remember that the platform is taking steps to ensure the safety and security of your funds. By understanding the reasons behind these delays and following the tips we've discussed, you can help minimize the impact on your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.